welcome back to the channel. I figured out this is a good a learning lesson. For one, the first lesson is not dwelling on things. You know, worrying about the things that you can't control. Now, with that being said, obviously I can control being late, right? Everybody can, right? But sometimes things happen and you're not able to do exactly that. And the best thing to do is to evaluate exactly what we're wrong. You know what I'm saying? How did it go about it? And once you figure out how did it went wrong, now you just figure out the 1, 2, 3 steps that you can do to lessen the chance that it happens to you again, right? All you're supposed to do is learn and adjust. My bad, it's getting a little cold in here. But learn and adjust. You know what I'm saying? You adjust to the things that cause you to fail, and you fix those small pieces in the project, and you come out better. You test that shit and you come out better the next day. You know, you will hinder your own day and your own mood by worrying about the things that beyond your control. At this point, I'm already late, right? So why would I keep stressing? You know what I'm saying? You getting angry, or you rushing, you know what I'm saying? You speeding, you disregarding rules. You know what I'm saying? You ain't stopping all the way at the stoplights. At the stop sign, all that type of shit, man. Don't make the problem worse trying to fix something that literally can't be fixed. Not that day. You know what I'm saying? Be progressive. Be progressive. Everything won't be perfect. You're not perfect, and I don't want you to. The point of this video is to show that I'm not perfect. You know what I'm saying? I still have flaws and bad habits that I need to change in my own personal life. You know, but where I know I'm still ahead is that my mindset right. So at the end of the day, I know for a fact that I'm going to be in a better position tomorrow than I am in today. And that's every day. Every day I wake up, that's how I'm thinking. So I have no choice but to be better. So think about that. If you got two people, one person always thinking like that and the other person always worried about the world, about the world and what they can't control and their feelings and what's going wrong in their life, who you think gonna be ahead at the end? Whenever the end is, who you think gonna be further ahead? The one that got a progressive mindset, or the one that got a scarcity mindset? It's honestly a self-explanatory question. Obviously I already have the answer, but man, be positive, man. Focus on success, and think about ways on how to excel.
Hey man, there's something about this mug, man. I think my